Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a Southwestern salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is put together our basic salad ingredients, and then I'll show you how to do the dressing. So right now I have 5 cups of lettuce that's already been chopped up. I'm going to add 1 cup of baby tomatoes that I chopped in half, 1 cup of those mini bell peppers. I have 3/4 cup of black beans that I've rinsed, and 3/4 cup of fire roasted corn. And the last ingredient is 1 whole avocado that I've diced up. I'm just going to give this a little stir. And we'll set this aside while I get the dressing ready. Okay. In order to make your dressing, you're going to want to use a food processor or a blender. And then I'm going to combine 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/2 teaspoon of lime zest, a 1/2 cup of cilantro, one clove of garlic, 1½ teaspoons of jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. So now all I'm going to do is blend this up. Okay, that's all there is to this. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. And right before you're ready to start serving, that's when you're going to want to add it to your salad. So this is the dressing. Let me go ahead and just pour it on here because it's just about dinner time in our house. So just toss this together. That looks fantastic. Let me show you what this looks like. This is going to go great with our dinner tonight. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.